Hey guys, today I made a video this morning on that, but now it is raining and we got the pool set up. We got Levi and Jackson jumping on the trampoline, and today's gonna be a great day. So, Michael, show him okay, so my brother has a flip. He can land it, but the trampoline's so wet, he just can't right now. He'll try. Okay, let's see it. No, that was not my flip, so. It wasn't the best. I mean, it was okay, but it was not the. Here. Go with your phone. Here, watch me one more. Okay. Watch me with. My glass sat down in the pool. Close. You already sat down in the pool? Michael, blow me. Okay. Whoppers, Big Macs, and Whoppers. Okay. And bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. He's an Olympic star. Hey! Oh boy.
Wait, show my knee flip.
May not be the best quality out here because it's raining.
Yeah.
But we just started the video. We still got lots to come. I'm gonna try to flip with the phone in my hand.
Please do not drop.
Okay, this is gonna be really weird. I don't even know what this looks like. Oh, what did that look like?
Can I try?
Please.
Michael, when are you gonna give me a new shirt?
I double bounced him. Basically, double bouncing means that, like, you jump, someone bounces you and you go really high up. So, this is a good video. Let's get like and subscribe. I don't know.
Share this video with your friends.
Yeah, share it.
Tell them to subscribe, please.
Yes.
So we can get.
We have 14 subscribers. Remember, the 15th subscriber gets $5. So
No, the 15th subscriber gets some grass.
the 15th subscriber. I'm gonna put a video out to the public. So I'm gonna get a video out, and the 15th subscriber, go watch it.
Turn on post notifications. And
It'll be a big surprise for you. Everyone else who watches it, it's not for you. Only if you're the 15th subscriber.
Turn on post notifications so we know who it is to get the prize.
Yeah, turn on post notifications so you can get more uploads like these. I'm gonna go sit in the pool.
Michael,
I'm literally gonna go sit in the pool right now. That thing, that is freezing cold water.
freezing.
The water's really cold, so I don't know. I'm not. In a room, I think. It's my dad. Bro, look at this. Look at this trampoline, bro. Guys, look at this trampoline. It's got that right there, which is broken, but then this net, you full dunk power. I'm gonna try. Let's try and dunk on it. Oh, I missed. I'll make a Kobe Bryant shot.
If I sit down in the pool, please give this video. If you guys want me to sit down in this pool all the way, get this video to 50 likes, and I'll do it. Ready? 5. In this 5 seconds, like, subscribe, and post notifications.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below. Subscribe if you liked, and like if you subscribed.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down.
That sounded weird.
Pool, Michael.
All right, he's gonna sit down in the pool in 3, 2, 1. Look at that facial expression. I knew it. Kobe. No.
Guys, it's so relieving when you get out of the water.
Yes,
Feels
it
so
is.
good.
Okay. So I'm gonna sit in the pool now. He's gonna film. Move your hand from. It's in front of the camera. I'm gonna sit in the pool. Yeah,
Jackson, stop bouncing. Jackson, stop bouncing.
Is it cold?
Well, your feet, but when you sit down, it's not cold at all.
Cannonball!
Woohoo!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Guys, when you get out, it's actually really warm. But when you get in, oh my god, it's cold. It is really cold. Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you. My name is Levi and his name is Michael. By the way, we're changing the channel name to Boys 2. No.
Yeah.
So
No, we're gonna change it to Motor MLB.
No. So we're gonna change the name of the channel. We don't know what yet. We're trying to decide a name. It's not Boys 2 because that was kind of a dumb name, but
Beast Twins. The Beast Twins.
no.
The Wag Twins.
Okay, we'll think about it. We'll tell you guys in a new upload.
You comment down below what you think the name should be. Okay?
Yeah, you guys comment down below what the name should be. Don't worry, I am turning on comments on this video, so it should be good. Okay. Okay, he's gonna do the pool. Go.
I'm actually gonna put my head under. Oh,
Bro, this dude is savage.
we need to get this video to.
Hold on. I'm gonna come out here so I can see you better. No way, he's actually gonna do it.
I am. We need to,
Let's see it. Go.
We need to get this video to 500,000 or 100 likes.
Yeah. Just get it. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. That was really not my face, but it was you. You can't.
You want to shut your breathing system off.
I'm gonna do it.
You shut your breathing.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in a new upload.
Comment down below if you like this content.
And the name, what should it be?
Michael, do another one. I'm going to actually
Like and subscribe. Peace. Say bye.